In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Namecheap domain for Google Workspace. 5 minutes. Before we jump into the admin console, make sure you have your domain handy from your Namecheap account. Copy the exact domain name you want to verify, like example.com. Don't include HTTP, HTTPS, www, or any slashes, just the root domain. Having it ready will make the next steps faster. Now, sign into the Google Admin Console using an account with super admin permissions. If you manage multiple Google accounts in your browser, consider using an incognito window or double check the profile in the top right corner so you're in the correct admin account for the right workspace organization. Once you're in the admin console, go to Account, then Open Domains, and choose Manage Domains. This is where all domains connected to your organization live, including primary domains, secondary domains, and aliases. We're adding a domain you own so Google Workspace can trust and use it. Click Add a Domain. When prompted, paste the Namecheap domain you copied earlier. Take a moment to confirm spelling. One extra character or a missing dot can cause verification to fail. If you intend to verify your root domain, don't enter a subdomain here. Stick to the main domain unless you specifically need the subdomain. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. Google will guide you through verification options. The most common method is adding a TXT record at your domain's DNS. Sometimes Google can connect directly with your registrar to do this for you. If that's offered for Namecheap, it's the fastest route. If you manually add a record, you'll copy the exact TXT value Google provides and place it in your DNS settings at Namecheap. Don't change the value and avoid creating duplicates of older verification records. Keeping just the newest one is typically best. When everything looks good, click Add Domain and start verification. Google will immediately check for the record. If verification doesn't pass right away, don't worry. DNS changes can take time to propagate. Give it a few minutes and try again. In some cases, it can take longer depending on DNS caching, so patience is key. You can refresh the verification status from the same screen in the admin console. Once verified, your domain will appear as active in managed domains, and you're ready for the next steps in Workspace, like setting up email routing and uses. That's it. Your Namecheap domain is verified in Google Workspace quickly and cleanly. If you run into issues, recheck the domain spelling, confirm the TXT record value, and make sure you're updating DNS for the correct domain zone in Namecheap.